the uninformed search. First of all, what we need to do is open our programming environment, which in this case is NetLogo. Once we open it, we'll have something that looks pretty much like this. Now what we need to do is to open our file. By double-clicking the file, we download it into the environment. Now let's have a closer look to these three upper tabs. If you want to see the source code of the search, all you need to do is click the Procedure tab. In this place is where all the code is placed. Now, if you want to get some information about NetLogo, all you have to do is click the Information tab. If you want to run the simulation, you have to click the Interface tab. Once we're in here, all we need to do is set up the variables. As our first option, we can choose the image that will be displayed as a background. We have Wasteland 2 and Wasteland. I'll stay with Wasteland. Then we establish a total number of cans that will be displayed in the environment. In this case, 1,000. In the number of cans to compact field, we can put the number of cans we want in order to make a trash cube. In this case, I'll leave 5. The recharging time means the time Wally needs to wait in order to charge energy. I'll leave it in 0. The number of pickup cans is a counter that will show us how many cans has Wally picked up from the environment. So this will continue to change while the search is running. Next, we can establish the number of Wallies that will be displayed in the environment. I'll leave the data as 1. Then we have the radius. In this option, you can establish the length of the vision radius of Wally. Put 3.5. As a last option, we can choose which search we want to apply. In this case, will be uninformed. Once we have all set, we can go and click Setup. Now that everything's done, we can control the speed of the process by adjusting here from slower to normal or faster. Now it's time to click Run and see how Wally searches for the cans. But before running it, it is important to show how our search works. Our uninformed search is a breadth-first search with certain modifications. Wally is placed in the environment, and then it starts searching for cans available in its vision radius. Once it detects cans, it maps the locations in the search tree. He chooses the first option that was detected. If he has space, he picks up the can. Then, in that current place, checks the available cans and maps the locations in the search tree. Then he returns to the second option and continues the breadth-first search. When the number of cans equals the number of cans in order to build a trash cube, Wally goes to the base, converts those cans into a trash cube, and deposits the cube, and then returns to continue on its search. When does the search end? Well, when the entire environment is clean or when there are no more available cans in Wally's radio vision. Once everything is clear, now let's run our uninformed search. As we can see, Wally is moving and picking up the cans. We can control the speed of the process and do it a little bit faster. And then it stops. As we can see, he picked up the 1,000 cans and cleaned the entire environment. And this is how our uninformed search works.